बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Students, you have learned about the human body in our previous lecture. Today we will do the exercise of the human body. So open your workbook page number 1. Here we have our first question. Choose the correct answer. First one is, what do we call the place where bones meet? Where two bones are meet, what is that place called? Muscle, organ, joint or link? Yes, option C is right. That is joint. Joint is a place where two bones meet. Next, which of these is the name for the bones in the head? What is the name of our head bone? Is it femur, skull, joint or spine? Yes, it is skull. Option B. Which of these not one of five senses? Here you have some options in which you will tell which one is not a sense. Sight, belief, hearing, touch. Yes, sight is a sense organ. Hearing is also a sense. Touch is also a sense, but belief is not a sense. So option B. Which is odd one out? Here are some things which are related to each other. One thing will be odd. We will pick that thing. One is hip bone, second is jaw bone, third is rib, and fourth is skin. Yes, students, A, B and C, three are bones and fourth is not related with them. So this one is odd. We pick the odd one out. Skin. Which part of the body is used to breathe with? With what we breathe? With brain, with heart, with lungs or with stomach? I have told you the jobs of our internal organs. The job of lung is to help us in breathing. So option C is the correct answer. Number 2 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The skeleton of an adult is made up of dash bones. How many bones in an adult body we have? Yes, these are 206 bones. Okay. Next, some insects have skeleton outside their body. Such skeleton are called. Students, some skeleton have skeleton outside to their body. That is called exoskeleton. You will write here exoskeleton. Okay. Next one is, you need dash and dash to move your bones. What thing help to move the bones? Yes, you are very sharp, student. These are joint and muscle. So fill your blanks with these words. Now come to page number 2. Here question number B is answer the following questions. Student, first is the name the five senses. You know very well our five senses. I have told you many times. First sense is sight. Write number 1 place sight, S-I-G-H-T. Number 2 is hearing. Write hearing, H-E-A-R-I-N-G, hearing. Number 2. Number 3 is smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Number 4 is taste, T-A-S-T-E. And last is touch, T-O-U-C-H. Okay, students? Now we have two questions. We will write their answers. First question is, what is a skeleton? Student, you know very well, a skeleton is framework of bones. Okay, students, you will write the answer. A skeleton is framework of bones. Next one is, why do we need muscle and joints? Students, why do we need muscles and joints? Yes, we need, right from question answer from here, we need muscles and joints to move the body. Okay students, here is your answer. Why do we need muscles and joints? We need muscles and joints to move the body. Okay, in this way you will complete your page number 1 and 2. We will meet inshallah in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.